Did you know that a man was murdered with a poison umbrella on a busy London street, and his killer is still walking free today? In 1978, Bulgarian writer Georgi Markov was waiting for a bus when he felt a sharp sting in his leg. A man with an umbrella had bumped into him and quickly disappeared into the crowd. 3 days later, Markov was dead. Doctors found something shocking inside his leg, a tiny platinum ball filled with ricin, one of the deadliest poisons on Earth. The umbrella wasn't just an umbrella. It was a weapon that fired this deadly pellet into his body. The police knew who was behind it, the Bulgarian secret police and the KGB, but they never caught the actual killer or proved who gave the order. Here's the scary part. Recently released secret documents show this wasn't the only umbrella attack. There were similar murders across Europe using the same method. 45 years later, this Cold War assassination network might still be out there, and we may never know the full truth.